So we have here an exponential equation, 2 to the power of x plus 3 equals 3 to the power of x. This video will be solving for the value of x. Simplify the equation. Left hand side is now 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 3 equals 3 to the power of x. Simplify further, divide by 3 to the power of x, both sides of the equation. This is now 1, and 2 divided by 3, that is now 2 over 3 to the power of x, since they both have the same exponent, times 2 cubed equals 1. Transposing constant to the right, so this is now 2/3 power of x is equal to 1 over 2 cubed, or is equal to 1 over 8. So the equation now becomes 2 divided by 3 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 8. Taking the log both sides of the equation and taking down x as coefficient. So this is now x times logarithm of 2/3 is equal to logarithm of 1 over 8. And taking the value of x, so x is equal to logarithm of 1 over 8 divided by logarithm of 2/3. So this is now our final answer.